Hey guys, welcome back for some more TCM, and today's video was supposed to be about a healing build with Virginia, using Rescue Medic, Back for Blood, and What Doesn't Kill You, but we ended up not getting any value from Back for Blood. We got really little value from Rescue Medic, but then we got a load of value from What Doesn't Kill You, so I figured we might as well just make the video about how great What Doesn't Kill You is on Virginia in particular, because her blind usually gives you time to get away and get that 15 seconds for it to heal you again. So yeah, that's pretty much the focus of the build. We might as well have just had this one perk. Attributes wise, we went for a spread with toughness, endurance and strength, and if you do enjoy the video, like and subscribe, it really helps me out, and let's just dive right in. So we're starting off in the middle. So the idea is that we're just playing kinda, well, kinda safe really. We're not going to be like camping basement or anything like that, but we're going to be available if anybody needs a heal. If we hear people welling, that's the main thing, or if we run across someone that got a load of red scratches, well, I say scratches, slashes I suppose would be more accurate, they're probably hurt. I mean, it's not always the case because they might have just healed up already, but I mean, obviously the best way would be is if everybody's on comms, but that's not going to happen in solo queue. So I think a build like this would be better if you play with either in a group or at least with one other person that you can benefit. But I'm pretty sure we can still make use of it in solo queue. At least I hope so, because I'll be really disappointed if we can. Because I always love playing like the healer and games and things like that. And obviously you can't really get that in a game like this, but we can get pretty close. And Sounds having a nice little tea bag there. And our other perks, because Rescue Medic, oh, he's already done that. So Rescue Medic heals people for twice as much, and that goes for the Healing Cloud, which is the main, like that's what this build is for. And it also heals us for, it says a random amount on it. I'm not sure how it calculates this. You need someone more knowledgeable than me for that, but it is very small ticks. But if you're sitting in the same Healing Cloud, it starts to add up quite a lot. And then our other two perks is just so that we should never really need to use a health bottle. Anyway, I think that's Cook's way of saying, hey, can you guys hurry up and come at the base? I think these guys have actually unlocked everything here. Oh, looks like we're heading off now. That's my job, to heal other people. I guess she just wanted rid of the health bottle. Maybe she picked up by accident. Oh, someone's hit a trap already. That's not good. Right, maybe we should just follow Maria. She seemed like she wanted to team up a bit there. I always love a good team player. Oh no. Well, that's not a good start. Someone's definitely dead there, but I'm not sure who it was. It's Danny. Oof, this is trapped and cook locked, but maybe we should go elsewhere. Maybe we could just play distraction. Because he's going to have security pins, they always have security pins. He can have that. I heard footsteps there. I think someone might be trying to cut me off here. Or at least coming. Yeah, I think these guys are on comms.
Come over here. Please.
Can we get a cheeky sneak attack here? He clearly knows I'm here. I think they are on comms, or at least he saw the door slam.
Jesse, I know you're here.
I guess they just lost me. Always check this in here, because it's very common for hitchhikers to sort of hide it behind there. Someone saw me. This is Cook. Right, Let's check to see what's actually got locks
My
on it.
baby
Well, let's
boy
hide first.
has to be here. I know he
Wait, is that
is.
open? If it is... Oh crap.
Damn, not again.
Where is he? Right, maybe we should go the other way because Hitchy's clearly going over there too.
Please don't let them hear me.
Let's try and unlock the left car battery gate maybe.
Jesse.
That's trapped too.
Baby, where are you?
I don't want to waste my bone scrap on that. We'll just stay clear of that area. We'll need to keep those traps in mind. I heard hands for a sec there. If we can get this open, it'd be big. I think I can hear someone, but I don't know if they're coming over or not. Oh, yeah, they are now. Nice, we got it.
Please don't see me. Please.
Right, we can waste his time over here. Just in case I'm not on comms. Because I know he knows I'm here and that's fine. Right, what doesn't kill you will heal us for that hit that we took too. So there's no way that he can catch me here. So he's going to need to bring him back up. So I'm hoping that my team can get something done while this is ongoing. He knows that he can't do anything here. Because if they are on comms, they might call over our teammate, and yeah, we'll be in trouble. But it means there's only one person for the rest of the map. It's not exactly exciting looping here, but it's effective. We're mostly just keeping watch for another family member coming in. Yeah, I think he's just given up. Wait, he's not looking there. Ah. Thought I'd try and be cheeky. We'll both just stand here watching. Just in case I'm not on comms. We don't want to move. Oh, I can hear something. Someone else coming. Sound like it could be Hitchy. The footstep sounds can be weird in this map though. Is he him? Just left.
I have to find my boy.
I don't have an unlock tool, so I can't do the gate, but this will get their attention and maybe make them waste Ripstall too.
Shit. Did they see me?
Oh, they did get the backup. And there goes the Ripstall, so we got the Ripstall cooldown out of him too. Right, so if we could keep two of them busy here for a while, this would be massive. In fact, have they lost me?
Okay. I'm safe for now. I gotta be careful.
He might see me here. Oh no, oh, Hans has definitely saw me. Hitchy's still looking for me over there. Maybe they're not in comms? Yeah, because I think he's maybe coming now though.
What is this place?
Well, I guess they realise they're committing too much to this. I think we may be annoying Hans here. We're not getting much use out of our build since we're being held here, but you know what? I'd say we're still being effective for our team here. I wonder if we could maybe go round and unlock another gate whilst he's doing all this. Oh crap. Because we can head over and maybe grab unlock tools. Since we know they're not on comms, if we don't move here, we wouldn't get any others coming up. If we make our way over here, we should be able to grab an unlock tool.
I should keep this.
If it's just a one hit, it's fine. We'll heal it back up with what doesn't kill you. Maybe we can wrap around here and have a go at unlocking the gate. It'll be trapped though. It's the only problem.
Baby boy has to be here. I know he is.
Oh, does he see me? I don't think he saw me. Maybe we should just stay down here then if there's two of them. If two of them are having a look for me, that's perfect.
Oh, Jesse. My baby. Where are you?
They clearly have no idea where I am.
Why are you running?
And surely, I mean, the cook's pretty much left alone to defend everything else. I don't think I actually mind if I get seen, maybe. Maybe I should just... Well, let's see. Oh, it's right there. Right, he saw me. I think we make the gap. Oh, we can heal up here. And we've got a stamina back too. I kind of lost Hitchy, to be honest. Is he crouched behind something or? There he is. There's the generator. That's what we're looking for. Now we can just leave. Right, we're not going to make this, but we bought them so much time. So we might have not done the little support role with the healing that we were planning on doing, but I think we did more than that. Yeah, we're not making it out, but you know, I'll give it a go. I think we did our part. That's the best we could hope for in a game like this, where, because when it's Hitchy, Cook, and Hans, you always get where it just gets bogged down, just boring for everybody. So the fact that we managed to get two people out, oh crap! Ah, come on! Stop taking so long to recover, Virginia. You know what, I'm gonna go up because they would have saw me there. I was revealed for quite a while. No. Well, the whole idea of the build was not to waste health, but we're the only one alive now, so we might as well.
Okay. I'm safe for now. I gotta be careful. My baby boy has to be here. I know he is.
Right, what is the plan? Maybe we could try fuse as a distraction. Is he trapped this too? Like, is he just completely trapped out this? He has. That's cheeky.
Damn. Not
And
again.
makes a basement exit useless, but also I'm like, is that really a good use of 3 traps just for that?
My baby, where are you?
Because I knew about the first 2 traps, but I didn't think he would commit all of his traps just to blocking off one basement escape. We'll probably need this for our trap. We could maybe try and throw them off, because they're going to have exterior. Teams like this always have exterior.
Horrible.
So maybe we can open that gate that we opened first off, and then hide somewhere. That's a plan anyway. Or maybe we should just commit to fuse.
Find him.
I'm crouching because the cook's probably going to be listening at some point. Don't know if we're going to have enough time really, because they're going to be getting high levels soon. Like max level, I should say. All we can do is try. Right. There's our bait. There goes one. Wait, does he know? Oh, is there someone there? Maybe Hans is camping it. Let's have a look over. Right, there's no way he would just walk away like that. So I have a feeling there's a family member over here. You know what, let's just go over and look.
Jesse. I know you're here. You have to be.
Yep, got someone. Ah, there he is.
Please don't see me. Please.
Now you listen. Hey, what's coming?
Right, just a one hit. That's what we're after. Ran their own blockage there. Oh crap. Okay, that wasn't part of the plan.
I know you have my baby.
Nice. Because he'll have to barge that down. Hitchy can still follow us, obviously, but... Wait, did we dupe them there? Wait, did neither of them see me?
Are they gone?
How did they not see me? I ran through the door as he barged it.
Damn. Right, he's not trapped that. We're going to be real quick here. He's surely put a trap on this, surely. If we make it out of this, I mean, it might have padlocked the gate, I didn't even check, or it might be trapped, or Gotta be a way out of here.
anything really.
I need to get help.
Right, did not. Okay, I don't know how the hell we made it out of this, but we made it. Wow, what a game.
I gotta run.
Well, we got absolutely no use of the build, but whatever, I'll take that game. So, got Slaughterhouse this time, against the big three. We want to get our powders, so let's wait for Leatherface to leave. I don't think he just saw me there since he's breaking that. Okay, maybe he did. Ooh, that was close. Especially since I messed up. My camera went weird when I came away from the powders. Right, we should have time to get this. It's actually a good thing you get rid of that. Ah, we don't have time, do we? Come on. Oh, we did have time. Right, okay. I guess he just doesn't want to deal with that. He knows he's not going to get me, except for when I nearly messed up, but if I play it properly, he wouldn't get me. Although, to be fair, even if he did hit us there, we do have what doesn't kill you maxed out, so we would have healed back up from it. Right, we really need to actually get some items here.
Finally. I think I can use that. I should keep this. Are you okay?
Is this unlocked? It is. Let's grab a bone scrap. We'll get the bone scraps that we saw over here.
What is that? Ew.
I think I heard someone taking hits there. We should get up and see if we can be helpful. Oh, they just welled. Can we heal them here? Leatherface is coming down to finish them off.
You look like you're trying to find someone.
So that should be healing them a lot. It's hard to tell. Although she didn't sit in there very long. But to be honest, at double the health, that might have actually healed them to full. They're probably still here, I reckon. Since Leyland just came down from here, I think. Let's make a run for it. Did he see me? I have a feeling there's another victim over here, because I think that's the line he usually says when he sees someone. Oh, well, he's definitely saw me now.
Don't come over here.
He's got scared. Right, we should be able to keep him busy here. We'll go round the outside now, well, through the crawl space, and then we should be able to get our stamina back. I think we can beat Cook here. And they're both running this. Oh, if we've kind of got Julie caught here. Oh, they didn't see Julie. Oh, it's getting kind of crazy here. Let's make a run for it. Lost Leyland from the looks of it. He keeps swinging too early. He's going to hit us here though. Yeah. I think we make this without a hit. Right, we need to get down the well if we can. Right, we wasted a lot of time in there. Surely, well, someone's left the slaughterhouse yard. That's good to see.
I'm bleeding.
I know we were supposed to be saving health bottles here, but
This helps.
I think everybody else has probably left us behind. And Leatherface is coming for us.
Stay quiet. There they are.
Oh, Hitchy's gone. Don't know if he just saw me there. I think we've got time for this.
Oh, Jesse.
With the Hitchy disconnect,
Baby.
Probably the turn point. I don't know why he disconnected. Did we run him a bit too long? He didn't like it. Although there is a disconnect when there's a Leatherface in the game, you can't take it easy. It's very easy to die in one slip up, which is why I like going against Leatherface. Keeps the game nice and tense, even if you do get rage quitters. If he's got security pins, I don't think we'll bother. Oh, no security pins.
There's gotta be a way out of here.
No idea what they've opened.
I need to get help.
They could have got round red door, like maybe Julie did it when, because we did see her round about there.
Damn.
Maybe I should have just went to the red door instead, but
Thank you, God.
oh, I've done it now.
I need this. Someone's gonna hear me.
It sounded like Leatherface actually heading over there, so I wonder if maybe we should go Jen, or maybe do Valve or something. Oh wait, he's not going there? I didn't really think he'd have time to be checking doors like this, because they're definitely through somewhere. Should be able to get it now. Oh, there's basement. Sounds like she's in trouble there. Well, I say sounds like, I can't hear anything, but it looks like she's in trouble there. She might have just welled because basement. And it's... Oh. Yep, Cook's gone now too. Ah, Rage Quinn. Oh crap, that is not done. Well, this is not what we wanted. Where is Fuse? Because we're not going to make that in time. Well, it's like I was saying, one mistake and we can still be dead here. We'll just use one now to get full health. Oh wait, never mind. He's just rage quit too. Ah well, GG. Trying to play a game without the family rage quitting whenever anything goes wrong. Challenge impossible. Anyway, let's go on to the next one. Right, we're back in the mill. Hopefully it's not as crazy as that last game got. Although, well, not the last one, the first game. Because
This might work.
that was a long one. And I definitely don't mind them, but just one a night is fine for me. So, and hopefully we actually get some perk value too. Because I really enjoyed that game. It was a load of fun, but our build was, well, except for what doesn't kill you. Everything else was completely pointless. Their proficiency isn't too bad. You're not getting through security pins or anything like that with it, but
Someone I can trust.
could be worse.
It's in your eyes.
I still don't know why Julie has less than Leland in proficiency, because Julie's got 20 and Leland's got 25.
I should keep this.
Whilst you're doing changes, devs, can you please change up Julie, the stealth stat completely? Either make it better or just remove the damn thing so that Julie can be a bit better. Where did I see bone scraps? I know I saw them, but I can't remember where. I'll just retrace my steps. I probably already ran past them. Why am I so bad at finding bone scraps? I know there's a spawn around here. Maybe we'll get lucky. Nope. You know, I'll just get this open. There's usually bone scraps out here. I say usually because this will be the one time that there's not. Because they're either at the very back, like to the left of the stairs that go up, or just at the top of the stairs to the left of the door that goes into the mill.
Stop. Go slow.
Have we got these ones? We do, perfect.
Finally. I think I can use that.
We're making noise and we might drag someone down, but you know, that's fine. We are playing distractions here.
Sharp.
Oh, what's going on up there? Leyland's kicking an old lady, apparently. There he goes, the meme himself. Doesn't seem like Nancy's chasing him. I didn't want to jump that in case he needed it, but doesn't look like he does. Oh, is that them coming now? She might have saw me, so she might know I'm here. Nah, she doesn't. Right, if we had an unlocked tail, we probably could go in there and do something, but we did not.
Hey there, sweetie.
Oh, she might have saw me there. Did she see me? She did not. Is she just going to keep circling? You know what, let's make a move. We're being too quiet here. We're built to take some heat, so let's do that. Grandpa's there, it's good to know for a perk.
Thank you.
I forget the name of it.
I need
Back
this.
for Blood, is that the name? There's a lot going on. I heard Julie over here. Oh, did he see me? It feels like... Hmm. You know what? Sissy's poisoned this, but I don't care. Let me just run through it. Just to drag them back in here.
Please.
Because this is quite a good area for getting chased in. Wait, is he cut me off? He is. Leyland sounds like he's in trouble. Oh wait.
God, Jesse.
Oh,
Please,
we've lost Leyland.
Please,
And Connie's just welled. I didn't realise Connie was here. You know what, let's go down to basement 2. See if we can actually heal somebody.
You look.
Don't know if you need it, Julie, but you can have this if you want.
Maybe we can help each other.
That must have been a family member. What?
Please don't get away. Please.
Did they not
Jesse.
realise that it was off or that it was on already? They thought they were turning it on or something. I can't think why that would have happened. Because why would you start throwing a game after getting a kill? Right, so it must have been Leyland that was doing Valve up top here. So let's go up there.
This constant running around is getting a little tiresome now.
Damn. Not again.
So I think we checked the other 2 spawns and it wasn't there. Unless I'm just being blind. Nah, it is there. Right, perfect.
I have to find my boy. I can't leave him here.
It's a weird trap there. He didn't reset his traps here for some reason. We'll take advantage. Oh crap, hello. Did you get that?
You fucking monster! Where is my baby?
Oh crap, the blind went off. That's not where we wanted it to go. And that was the last one too. Right, we need to get out of here. There's powders over here.
This is awful. Oh my god. I gotta stay.
Oh, there's someone home here.
There they are.
He does. Hopefully this isn't trapped. It's not.
Sissy's coming to, I can hear her. I think she's cutting me off, yep. Well, I've got both of them here. And we're still full stamina. Doesn't look like he's got scout, but I could be wrong. Oh, there's Sissy. Right, they can't dodge the blind here, so... Okay, apparently Sissy's just not blind. Well, we'll heal that back up as long as we don't take a hit for a sec. I'm pretty sure they know I'm here. Did he see me there? I'm pretty sure he saw me there. Yeah, he knows. Right, Nancy's coming around. Pretty sure we could take him down here. We'll heal back up if we don't take a hit for a sec. What? I said door slam, but she just kept running. It kind of looked like she did get stunned though. I don't know what that was. That was weird. I can hear a victim. I'm not sure who that was though. I think it was Connie. Maybe we can get back up and do Valve again.
My baby boy has to be here. I know he is.
Let's do it. Need to keep in mind that we've only got one powder still. Hitchy may have been up here and re-trapped it. Nope. Our progress did get reset, but we're mostly doing it for the distraction anyway. Oh, Connie's in trouble. Okay, if we stab them early, then the 10-second immunity should wear off by the time so that we can get a second one. Nope. Connie's gone. Right, Nancy's probably going to keep coming.
Give me back my boy!
That's the best we can do. Jesus. Right, no barbed wire here. If he follows us down here, that's fine. We should be able to lose him here. There we go. Oh, car battery off. Right, we need to be quick. God, we've got no perk value again.
Okay. I'm safe for now. I gotta be careful.
Right, we should be able to make this as long as we're quick. Would they have saw that? Screw it, you know what, let's just go for it.
Virginia, the car side is where I got out from.
Nice one, thanks.
You're welcome.
Right, I heard left gate go there. I think we should just run for it.
Please don't see me. Please.
Constant running around is getting a little...
That is not what I wanted to do.
Just a touch.
Much rather deal with Nancy than deal with Poison.
Oh, you poor little
Oh,
thing.
close. Oh, just made it. Close one.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.